Yo, what's good, everybody? We back with another video. Hey, look, got my mans with me.
Hey, Bulldog, man. It's a V6 Bulldog. Man.
V6 Bulldog. It's not no ordinary V6 though. He got the motherfucking GT. He got the fan.
All-wheel drive, cut.
All-wheel drive. And look at the interior. His interior better than mine. Look at that joint.
Nah, bro, your joint's better than
Nah, I got regular cloth, bro.
Well, what you got?
My joint basic.
All black?
All black. My joint basic compared to yours. But you know, look.
What do you use to clean your wheels?
Nothing yet.
I got something to show you real quick.
Oh yeah, he got some fancy stuff. Look, so look, we out here late night drive. Y'all see his dog. I usually don't record nighttime videos because they don't do well.
Subscribe to my man, bro.
Hey.
Don't be a Bama ass nigga, man.
You already know. We about to have some
bum, bro.
We about to have some fun.
Support the man, bro.
You hear me? So we both filling up gas right now. My joint currently still going. So he had 100 miles left. I had 75 miles left. We both should have 18-gallon tanks. So we will see. That's
How much you got for
my joint was my mileage.
Yeah.
It was 14.
Mine's 20.
20? Yeah. A V6, bro. You about to get blessed. Nah, my joint about to eat.
Once I put this bitch in sport mode, I should be eating like yours.
Bruh, I'm in eco mode. I should be saving gas and I'm still got 14 miles.
You know what I'm saying? You gonna be lying like shit.
It do. Especially for these cars. It only work because it's an eco boost. But yeah, so we filling up right now. And we gonna get some good content. I'm gonna try it. Like I said, it's nighttime. I usually don't record nighttime videos because they don't show well. But I had to, man. We cooling with the Bulldog today. You feel me? Akuma and the Bulldog. Get the back, then we going to the back. We going to the back.
That Joe is like,
we going to the back. Hold on. I haven't seen it.
Like that.
Oh yeah. Got the Bulldog. So we about to have some fun. And he got some miles last time I seen it. So what you got so far since the last time? Intake. All right, so you got an intake.
We gonna get it lowered. My man's Jason Garage about to be back there in the boat. Salute.
Shout out to him. Oh yeah, he got the whole setup for this joint, bro. 35, 46.
Damn.
So he got 11 gallons and I got 12 gallons. I'm at 46 and he at 35. So $10 difference for 1 gallon.
I'm shocked.
God dang. A $10 difference. So I'm 46 at 12. And then he got, I think the receipt going on. No, there you go. 35 at 11. So if you ever want to know the difference between the gas, there you go. You got it right there. But I'm gonna go ahead and get that extra squeeze in real quick. Make sure it's really full. All right, so there you go. We got a little bit more in there. Look, he got the red on the everything. Look at that. I thought about doing that too. I got this.
I say do it because it's lit.
You had to pop it off, right?
The custom. No, that's
put it right on?
adhesive.
Okay.
Amazon, but they also have the custom color ones too. Tell you shit.
Nah, I'm just doing red. You already know the vibes.
You already know.
My man,
Yeah.
Okay.
But all I'm gonna say is, Bumblebee is gonna be on that soon. Then I expect.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Your boy, the Demon ain't available, but the Scat is.
The Scat is.
Yes, sir.
So you going Bumblebee?
Going Bumblebee. So I'm gonna be with the V8 squad sooner than later.
Yeah, cause he got some real good engine mods coming real soon. I ain't gonna tell y'all, but he been keeping me updated. He about to turn this joint out, y'all.
It's a project, but you know, remember what I told you about how I got it? But that's too much information.
It's too much information. Hey, look, so we go. You will see the content.
It was a gift from the Lord.
Oh yeah. I hear the little snap crackles and pop.
Yeah, the little pop.
Okay.
Little popcorn.
Hey, I want to take my drink tomorrow.
To get
Nah, I haven't cut it yet. I haven't had my car long enough to cut it. It sound good.
There's no pop?
I mean, I get pops, but it's still muscle.
Once in a while type shit?
Yeah.
What were you gonna do? Cut the...
I'm cutting the mids. So I was gonna keep the mids, but nah.
The exhaust tip, you ain't gonna do nothing about that, or you gonna leave it how
I'm gonna get 5-inch, but I gotta order my diffuser first. I gotta order my.
You gonna get like the flame Jones, or you gonna like the ones that?
Nah, I'm going.
All black ones. The ones you had for the RT? I was gonna say that gonna lit.
Yeah, but I'm just getting 5-inch tip.
On Amazon, I found the exact same Jones.
The wiggle bill?
Yeah. And the I don't know if it's called the diffuser.
Yeah, diffuser. That's the bottom. That's the
yeah.
I gotta order mine. Once I get that diffuser, then I'm gonna go get my exhaust.
They're all coming next week type. I mean not next week, next month type. I'm gonna have a spoiler on it.
Yeah, you above me. Look, we about to get on that Akuma time. You already know the vibes. We about to get this driving. You gotta get your little Bulldog in.
Oh no, that too. It's coming next week.
Oh yeah, all right, look. There we go. All right, we about to hop in the car. Shout out to the club Nemesis. Follow the boy. Akuma 392. Let's go do the dash real quick.
Dark as fuck.
It's all good. You wanna go? Alright.
Hey yo, hey! Smoke that, hey. Where he at? Can you see? Hey, where he at? Hey, you might let him get in front of you a little bit. Let him go in front of you a little bit, and then you feel me? Yeah. It'll be a better video. Cause at least you'll see when you pass what you actually do.
All right, whenever you're ready, go.
Go.
Whenever you're ready. Was you stepping on it? You stepped on it? Yeah. That was full gas? Nah, you got full gas that motherfucker, man.
I did step on gas.
You did?
Yeah.
Damn. You got paddle shifters, right?
Huh?
You got paddle shifters?
Yeah.
You gotta use them.
I did.
You did?
Yeah. I told you, nigga.
Go ahead.
Come on, race a no-brainer.
Damn.
You can't race no V8. Nah, give him some more space, man. Give him some more. Let me get some more. Let me get a little more. Let me get a little more.
I ain't about to go.
Huh?
I ain't about to go.
You should have told him. You're gonna beat him regardless. You're gonna beat him regardless. But like I said, bro, it's fun though.
Hey, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, we about to do it there. So you want to get the hit first?
Huh?
You want to get the hit?
I mean, if you're being generous,
I'm being generous.
All right.
All right, so whenever you go hold it. Oh, you can't even barely see. All right, whenever you're ready.
Hold on. Let me see. Yeah, get on, man.
Save your money and get a Scat.
Get a V8. Don't get a V8.
The GTs are fun.
They look
Right,
nice.
V8.
They look nice, but they're not fun. They look nice, but they're not.
Yes.
We stuck to that.
Had to get y'all a tunnel video now. I had to get y'all a tunnel video now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
They got traffic cameras.
This me and my man's cooling on the late night at the Washington Monument. Cruising through DC in the Scat Pack at night. We better go pull up on the president. Y'all want to see the White House? Comment down below. We'll come back.
I didn't call mom.
We pulling. Look at that Jane. We just ain't nobody out here. Just us on the road, nighttime. So I think I'm gonna start a new segment, y'all. This gonna be called Late Night Drives, and we gonna do it frequently, probably like once a week on the channel. So where at nighttime I just take the Scat and we go cruising. So let me know how y'all feel about that. We might go pull up to some monuments around where I live and, you know, check stuff out. I'm gonna get some lights and stuff, so we gonna get some lights to bring it up. Cause I know my GoPro at nighttime is terrible. But yeah, you know, he my GPS. You know, I'm just driving. I don't know where I'm going. He did GPS. I don't know where I'm going. But that's the monument though. So like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how y'all feel about the video and all that fancy stuff.